are we, Mamay? We are Splash Poke. We're gonna go try their hot dogs. Oomami? Oomami hot dogs. Hi! Get some flowers. So one of the things that I actually start implementing when it comes to taking notes, so what I like to do is I always take notes every time I have a meeting with my clients. And what I like is, because sometimes when we're taking notes and also having a conversation and listening to during the meeting, sometimes, so one of the things that I started doing when it comes to reviewing my notes, so I like to take a lot of notes during meetings. Usually when we're taking notes and we're listening to have a conversation at the same time, sometimes, I don't know if you guys can relate, but sometimes we would write something here that doesn't make sense. So what I started doing is, thank goodness for voice notes. So what I do is I pull out my notes in my phone and I would actually start speaking exactly what the notes and explaining my notes through voice notes, so that way when I create a report, all the key factors that we talk about during our meeting is there, so I don't have to like sit down here and try to make sense of what I wrote. So that way when I was talking, I can make more sense of it and almost like repeat the information that we talk about during our meeting. So that's one of the things that makes my life easier when it comes to putting together a report or a document, and it's been really helpful. So I don't know if you guys have tried before, but you know, finding these tricks along the way to make our life easier than harder. But also when I start doing this and when I record my voice note explaining exactly what I remember during our meeting with my notes, it helps me explain more using my voice instead of like trying to type it, if that makes sense. So yeah, I just want to share that with you guys. If you also do a lot of note taking during meetings, because I definitely go through at least 3 to 4 pages every meeting that I have, and depending how long is the meeting, yeah, it's very helpful. Let me know if you guys decide to try it.